Sienna, what did you get from Rocky and Pa?
It's the Bambino for the Bambino.
Ooh!
Looky, looky.
Whoa!
Hey? What else is down here? Looky. Ooh. Yay!
Pretty, Sienna. Look at all your presents.
Ready for the beach.
Pretty nice.
Wave zone. It's your one piece. It's the one piece. Oh, and here's the... Look at this. It's the hat. It's the hat. Yeah.
Try it on.
Woo.
Whoa, Sienna! Look at you! Cute.
Look at your hat. What else is in here? There's something more. What else have we got?
Sienna, you're ready for the beach.
One more to go. Ooh. Open her up. That'll take a long time if you do it that way.
Marty, what do you think of this?
Keep going. Keep going. Look. It's almost there.
That sugar's kicking in from the apple.
Almost there. Whoa.
What is it, Sienna?
Whoa.
What is it?
Moo.
A cow. Moo.
And look, the baby cow. Little calf. Moo.
Very nice.
Baby cow.
What do you think, Sienna? Cow.
Baby cows.
Thank you, Rocky and Pa.
Thank you. Moo. A moo.
Marty says I'm out of here. Oh. Thanks, guys.
It's so funny though with the animals. She loves it. She's gonna absolutely love the zoo. I can't wait. Or I mean like the farm.
Yeah.